Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Csc530. Now, we want to present about our proposal in subject fundamentals of multimedia computing. Okay, this is our team members. Our group members consist of 5 persons. First, Danish Daniel Budris bin Roslan, Muhammad Asri Adam Malik, Muhammad Akif Iqbal, Muhammad Khairul Izwan bin Muhammad Ghalil, and me, Aiman Syahir bin Hassan. Okay, the type of multimedia computing have a 5. First, text. Second, graphics. Third, audio. Fourth, animation. And the last is video. Multimedia is the use of computer to present a combined text, graphic, audios, and video with link and tools that let the user navigate, interact, create, and communicate. The multimedia is very important in our life right now. Multimedia applications are also used to enhance the learning process and increase interaction between students and lecturers. A multimedia application can highlight certain important points instead of writing on the whiteboard. They are constantly looking for more effective way to engage their students during learning and improve students' learning outcome. Today, the use of online platforms have skyrocketed due to the recent pandemic that the world suffered for the last 2 years. Schools and universities had to use platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, Discord, Microsoft Teams, and more to conduct their studies during the lockdown period. As for business and big companies, they can just use this platform as it only provides a limited amount of audience at one time. Therefore, we are to propose the best multimedia computing for company virtual events.
Hello and welcome to our presentation. So today I will be talking about the first application, that is special chat. So what is special chat? Special chat is a virtual space that brings the best breakout and networking experience for online events and teams of any size. They make it very easy for us to break out with people across and quickly move between different rooms. Okay, so moving on to the first criteria, that is pricing. So special chat has a free pay per day and monthly plan. The main reason for the pricing point is because the free plan offers up to 25 users for one space. This, while it is not much, is still good for hosting small family or private company events. So for the day pass, which is the pay per day, starts from $8 for minimum of 4 users, and the monthly plan offers $28 also for minimum of 4 users. Okay, stop. Next. So for the second criteria is ease of use. So special chat offers the ease of access at which team members can interact with each other within the meeting space. The overall mechanics of the site gives a look and feel that's similar on how you would interact within a meeting space at an office. So for the last criteria, that is scalability. Special Chat has a custom feature that allows the host to choose how many users will be attending the event. One event can facilitate up to 10,000 users at a time. Thus, there's no need to have many sites at once for an event. So that's it for me. Thank you for watching.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Khairul Izwan. So today I will explain to you the second application, which is Gather. Gather is a great place to spend time with people online. It's useful, adaptable, and enjoyable with enough of tools to make each meeting worthwhile. Every enhancement and every amount of assistance improves the user experience. And Gather allows you to view and communicate with one another. With the synchronized TV feature, you may view videos together. Then there are communal games like Tetris, Colonies, and One Night Werewolf to enjoy. This is one of the most entertaining and dependable social networks available. You can also meet up and move around in a park, cafe, office, classroom, or conference hall. You can edit the map's layout and items, including interactive ones. There are lots to choose from, such as call and video features, poster, whiteboards, podiums, poker tables, and more. Additionally, Gather is available as a browser-based and desktop app for Windows and Mac computers. The latter, however, is in beta form and subject to change before it was ready. Okay, next we are going to the criteria of this app. The criteria that should be considered to implement to this application, which is pricing. So Gather start with a free plan, which means it's basically free to set up with basic and limited features. Gather has 4 very affordable tiers on offer, while its developers work towards making it all completely free. From there, you can welcome 500 users and pay between $1 and $3 for each one. The lowest paid gets you 10 basic and 3 advanced interactive objects alongside security features and the options to email your guest list. Okay, next we are going to the second criteria, which is ease of use. Basically, Gather allows users to set up an online space where they can meet up with other users, allowing them to recreate their work environments in 2D. In this way, Gather can bring the interactions of real life into virtual space that are not only realistic but simple to use. It essentially works like a top video game, where each user acts as a playable character in this virtual world. Each user can make their own avatar, customize their space to suit their needs, and even visit other virtual offices around the world. And lastly, we are going to talk about scalability. Gather will offer to be scalable with a custom package and custom costs based on requirements. You can welcome up to 500 users for $1 and $3 for each one. Upgrading increases the number of participants for managing your meeting. And next, we are going to talk about the spec requirements for Gather. Gather recommends the system specification for an ideal experience, which is 2.4 GHz dual core and 8 GB RAM. For internet speeds, Gather recommends 10 Mbps download speed and 3 Mbps upload speed.
Okay, next is Kumo Space. Kumo Space is a new platform that provides an immersive and fun experience online. It is designed to simulate the physical experience and atmosphere of being in a room. You can move around and connect with others virtually with the ease of a video chat and creativity of video game. Kumo Space also allows users to work from anywhere. Okay, next we talk about criteria of Kumo Space. First, we take part of pricing. Kumo Space begin with free plans, which means it is free to set up with basic and limited features for new user. Kumo Space also allow user Kumo Space also what we call it offer custom package that allow user, especially for large event and organization, to make their event smoothly. Okay, next criteria for Kumo Space is ease of use. The most important thing that Kumo Space highlighted in their application is user-friendly interface. The interface that available in Kumo Space is easy and user can customize their own space. They also can move around with arrow key and or by simply clicking. Scalability. The amount of user will increase for big event that your company launch. With Kumo Space, the unlimited user will participate your event. So many pa- uh, participation will join your event and make it fun. Kumo Space can be running with any browser such as Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, uh, and many more on desktop and laptop computer. But uh, mobile phone and tablet are not yet fully supported with Kumo Space. Maybe next time.
My name is Danish Daniel Budris and I will talk about conclusion. The goal of this proposal was to come up with effective triangular of new idea for the company to conduct a virtual event without spending a lot of money while still getting the same impact as real event. Based on the information presented, it can be concluded that there are a variety of approach of bringing an event to a brand new virtual platform. For the virtual event, you can save a lot of money uh, compared to real event, which you have to rent a hall and tools and so on. That's why virtual event you can save money, time. You can save time because it's easy to prepare the event and to invite the guests, and it is easy to use for the guests. You just have to have hardware like computer, laptop or smartphone, and you can have access to join the event, virtual event. And for my suggestion, these three applications have free plan and paid plan for customization. Uh, and for the official event, I suggest partial chat, which is have virtual office, virtual hall, and it you can make a formal event using partial chat. Why Gather and Kumo Space for an official event, and you can chill and spend time with your colleague or your friend. Get the application using 2D character to move around, while Como Space use camera to move around in virtual space. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.